Where to stay in Palermo. Let me give you a tour of where we stayed because it's very centrally located and I think, ooh, there's no light here. Okay, now, and I think it's a great stay.
And the name of that hotel is Palermo Quattro Canti. Now, I have to say that this hotel took me by surprise. When I first saw the B&B logo, I for sure thought I was staying at a bed and breakfast, but that was not the case. B&B Hotel is a French budget hotel chain with hotels all over the world. And their hotel in Palermo is huge. They even have vending machines where you can buy snacks and wine when in Italy. The decor of Palermo Quattro Canti is modern with bold colors while still preserving the charm and aesthetics of Italian and Sicilian decor. They also have plenty of common areas and even meeting rooms. We were not expecting all of this. Now, let's do a little room tour. Our room was spacious, modern, with a more minimalistic vibe. We also had wonderful views of the street below. So, we opened the windows for a little atmosphere and to settle into our new home for the day. We chose to stay at Palermo Quattro Canti for several reasons. 1. It's budget friendly. 2. It's located in the heart of Palermo. All the major attractions are within walking distance, including the food markets, which we will visit some today. And 3. The Rooftop restaurant, which has epic views overlooking the city. The views from up here are spectacular. This was the highlight of our stay at Hotel Quattro Canti. We always love it when there's a good restaurant or rooftop bar on site so we can sit and relax with a drink after a full day of exploring a new city. You can also dine here even if you're not staying at the hotel. I highly recommend making a reservation though, as this spot is popular amongst both locals and tourists, and a great place to catch the sunset with an epic view. Quattro Canti was perfect for us to end our day with dinner and epic sunset views overlooking the city. We started off with the grilled octopus over a bed of locally produced rosemary-infused olive oil and took in the sunset. The scenery in Sicily is beautifully dramatic, and the streets are filled with a contagious energy that makes you want to stay and never leave. The space also has a lounge and bar area that hosts events with live music. You can always check their website for the latest live music schedule. I'll link the website below. For our main course, we had a couple of their pasta dishes which were very fresh and flavorful. The menu at La Terrazza del Sole is seasonal, so they always have new, innovative dishes for you to try out. We ended our night on a sweet note with my favorite Italian dessert, a tiramisu. The next morning, we woke up to have breakfast at the rooftop once again. It was our last day in Sicily. We couldn't believe 4 days passed so fast. We felt we did so much and saw a completely different side of Italy. I've linked above my 24-hour Palermo food market and city guide if you are looking for things to do during your stay. There's so much beauty, history, and dramatic landscapes. Sicily, we're coming back. Breakfast is buffet style and is not included with your stay. You have to pay an additional fee and it's worth to get to sit outside. You also have to pay for parking if you leave your car at the hotel. The fee is 10 euros per day. If you're planning to visit Sicily, check out my other videos on the island where we cover Catania, wine tasting on the slopes of Mount Etna, Taormina, and Cefalù. And if you're looking to create your own road trip to Sicily, subscribe to my channel for next week's episode, where I break down how many days you need, what cities, towns, and villages to visit, and the best things to do on the island. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Till next time. I love visiting Sicily.